Hi students, welcome to social studies class. Let us start our first lesson. What is the first lesson name? The universe. What is the first lesson name? The universe. Before going to lesson explanation, okay, the explanation of the lesson, let us know what are the topics are there in this lesson. Topics are here: origin of the universe, origin of the universe, how universe was started, how universe was formed. First of all, let us learn what is the universe. Look at here, the sun. Yes, we know the sun very well. Yes, the sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. Next, the sunrises are and the sunlight is very important for human beings, animals, plants, all the living things need sunrises. Yes, without sunrises we will face dark in the world. Yes, so the sun you know very well, right? Next, the moon. The sun will come on the day, the moon will come night, right? And the stars, so many stars we can see in the sky when night time, right? Next, the planets. Earth is a planet. Like Earth, there are 8 planets. How many planets? 8 planets. Okay. Next, the galaxies. Galaxy means, the galaxy meaning is a group of stars. For example, third class students, third class means you along with your classmates. Like that, galaxy means a group of the stars, a group of the stars is called galaxy. Then the galaxies means so many group of the stars are there. It means so many galaxies are there. Where? In the sky. So what is the universe? Then where is the earth? In the category of the planets, earth is also in it. Yes, earth is a planet. Third nearest planet to the sun. At the same time, fifth biggest planet. Okay, we are living on the earth planet. Yes, okay. Finally, what is the universe? Universe is all mixed things here. Yes, totality of given categories. Earth means, universe means the sun, the moon, the stars, the planets, the galaxies. All these categories combinedly we say universe. It means all the world. Simply we can say all the world is called universe. Are you understand? Okay. Then origin of the universe, how universe was started, how universe was formed. Next, the Milky Way. What is the Milky Way? Next, what is the name of our Milky Way? We are going to discuss in this lesson. Next, the solar system. What is the solar system? What are there included in solar system? Okay. Next, planetary movements. For example, I am telling you, we know very well that our earth is moving. Yes, our earth is moving. Likewise, all the planets. How many planets I said? 8 planets. How many planets are there? 8 planets. Total 8 planets are moving. 8 planets are moving. So, what is the movement of planets? How many types of movements are there? We are going to discuss in this lesson. We are going to discuss in this lesson. At the same time, topics finished. Next, before going to the main topic, have a look at here. Heavenly bodies. What is the mean by heavenly bodies? Look at here. The sun, say along with me, the sun, the moon, and all the stars where in the sky. Clear? The sun, the moon, and all the stars. Where do we see all these things? In the sky. Yes, the sun, the moon, and all the stars in the sky are called heavenly bodies. Okay, what is the universe? The sun, the moon, the stars, the planets, the galaxies combinedly called the universe. Okay. What is the galaxy? A group of stars is called the galaxy. A group of stars is called the galaxy. Next, heavenly bodies. What are heavenly bodies? The sun, the moon, and all the stars in the sky are called heavenly bodies. Okay, these abbreviations are very important, students. You should learn them. Okay, you should by heart them. For you, I am repeating again. Just say along with me. Okay. What is the meaning of universe? The sun, the moon, the stars, the planets, and the galaxies combinedly, it is called universe. Clear? Galaxy. What is galaxy? A group of stars. A group of stars is called the galaxy. Okay. What are heavenly bodies? What are heavenly bodies? Say along with me. The sun, the moon, and all the stars in the sky. Repeat again. The sun, the moon, and all the stars in the sky are called heavenly bodies. Okay, just keep all this information in your mind. Let us go to main topics. What are the topics? Origin of the universe, how universe was started, the Milky Way. What is the Milky Way? What is the name of our Milky Way? The solar system. What is the solar system? What are the things are there in the solar system? Planetary movements. Okay, there are 8 planets. They have movements. What are the names of that planets movements? How many types of movements are there? Okay, let us discuss. Okay, are you ready, children? Then move along with me to main topics of the lesson. First topic is origin of the universe. Origin of the universe. Simply we can say starting of the universe. How started the universe? When it was started. Yes, we are living in the universe. We are living in this world. Yes. So let us learn how our universe was created. Our universe was formed based on our lesson. In our lesson, scientists are saying that scientists, okay, you know very well about scientists, right? Scientists, geographers are telling universe was formed by the Big Bang. How our universe was created? Due to a big bang. What is the bang? A big explosion. A big explosion. Okay? In our Diwali season, we listen so many explosions, right? Like that big explosion. Scientists are telling billions of years ago. How many years? Billions of years. Billions of years ago. It means million means 10 lakhs years. Billion means billions of years. Billions of years ago, there was a big bang. It means big explosion. Big explosion. Due to that explosion, a fireball was created. A fireball was formed. Okay. Universe was formed by the Big Bang. What is the meaning of bang? Big explosion. Okay, a big explosion is called as bang. When it was happened? Billions of years ago, before the billions of years. Okay, due to that big explosion or bang, a huge fireball was created. A huge means a big fireball. How much big? We can't say. Why? All the this universe only that big fireball. Yes. How much big? So much of big. How much big? So much of big. After forming the fireball, eventually. It means day by day, week by week, month by month, year by year. That fireball was cooled. That fireball was cooled. Are you getting the point? The fireball was cooled and formed tiny particles. Okay, first a big bang, okay, big explosion was occurred. After that, a big fireball formed. Eventually, it means day by day, that the fireball cooled, so that tiny particles formed. Because of, due to that bang, it is created everything in the universe. Everything in the universe. What is the meaning of everything in the universe? Already we discussed what is the universe. Can you say? Can you give me answer? Yes, what is the universe? The sun, the moon, the stars, the planets and the galaxies. It means due to this a big bang, a fireball was created. Eventually it was cooled. Due to that bang, all the things, it means everything in the universe created. Okay, everything in the universe. Example, stars, galaxies, planet, the sun, the moon, all created. Are you clear? Again I am repeating for you. Once upon a time, what was that time? Billions of years ago. How many years? Billions of years. There was a bang, big bang. What is the meaning of bang? A big explosion. A big explosion. A big explosion. Due to that explosion, a fireball was formed. A fireball was formed. Okay? Eventually cooled that fireball so that all the things in the universe were formed. Are you clear? This theory means a opinion, a decision, okay, a thought. What is the theory? A decision, an opinion. Okay student, this story or theory is called Big Bang theory. Which theory? Big Bang theory. Okay, clear? This is all the topic about origin of the universe. What is the meaning of origin of the universe? Starting of the universe. When the universe was started. Yes, we are living in this universe. So we should know how our universe was started. Yes, this is Big Bang theory. According to your lesson, our universe formed based on Big Bang theory. What is Big Bang theory? It is an opinion. It means some scientists are telling this. Our world, our earth, our universe was formed due to Due to a big bang. Bang means explosion, a big explosion. Okay, students, are you understand?